Did you know that just a single cup of blueberries packs more antioxidants than most other fruits and vegetables combined? In fact, research shows that berries consistently rank among the top sources of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that help protect your cells from damage and keep you feeling and looking your best. With such impressive stats, it's no wonder that berries are often referred to as nature's tiny superheroes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of berries, exploring their surprising role in boosting health and revealing how easy it is to make them a delicious part of your daily routine. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply snack on them by the handful, adding berries to your meals can have a remarkable impact on your well-being. Let's start by talking about some of the most common health issues people face in our modern world. Many of us struggle with chronic inflammation, low energy, or even nutrient deficiencies that leave us feeling sluggish and out of balance. For countless individuals, factors like stress, poor sleep, and processed foods only make these problems worse. But what if a simple dietary change could help turn things around? That's where berries come in. Packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and those all-important antioxidants, berries offer a natural and effective way to address inflammation, replenish key nutrients, and promote overall vitality. Now, let's take a closer look at the berry family tree. From strawberries and blueberries to raspberries, blackberries, cranberries, and even lesser-known varieties like elderberries and goji berries, each type brings its own unique set of health benefits to the table. Blueberries, for example, are renowned for their ability to support brain health. Multiple studies have shown that regular blueberry consumption can improve memory, enhance cognitive function, and even help slow age-related mental decline. One study published in the Annals of Neurology found that women who ate at least 2 servings of blueberries or strawberries each week experienced slower rates of cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years compared to those who rarely consumed berries. Strawberries, with their vibrant red color, are loaded with vitamin C. Just 1 cup provides more than 100% of your daily requirement. Vitamin C is crucial for immune health, skin repair, and fighting off free radicals. Plus, strawberries are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that may help lower blood pressure and support healthy circulation. According to research from the Harvard School of Public Health, women who ate 3 or more servings of strawberries per week were significantly less likely to suffer a heart attack. Raspberries and blackberries, with their deep hues and tart flavors, offer an exceptional source of dietary fiber, essential for healthy digestion and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Fiber also helps keep you feeling full, supporting weight management, and reducing cravings for less nutritious snacks. These berries are also packed with L-lagic acid, a natural compound shown to have anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies. Cranberries, long hailed for their role in promoting urinary tract health, contain powerful proanthocyanidins that help prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the lining of the urinary tract. Regular cranberry consumption has been linked to a lower risk of urinary tract infections, especially in women. Let's not forget about the more exotic berries, like goji berries and elderberries. Goji berries, used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, are celebrated for their immune-boosting and anti-aging effects. They contain unique antioxidants called Lycium barbarum polysaccharides, which have been shown to enhance immune function, protect eye health, and even improve mood. Elderberries, meanwhile, are famous for their ability to ward off colds and flu. Studies have demonstrated that elderberry extracts can reduce the duration and severity of respiratory infections, making them a go-to remedy during the winter months. But just how significant are these benefits when you make berries a part of your daily life? The most compelling evidence comes from long-term studies that have tracked dietary patterns and health outcomes over time. One landmark study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed over 16,000 adults for 23 years and found that higher berry consumption was associated with a dramatically reduced risk of heart disease. Another surprising finding? People who ate berries daily had lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood, indicating that these fruits can help combat the chronic inflammation linked to diseases like diabetes, arthritis, and even certain cancers. What makes berries truly remarkable is not just their nutrient density, but the way their unique compounds work together to amplify health benefits. For example, the combination of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants in berries has been shown to improve blood vessel function, lower cholesterol levels, and protect against oxidative stress, all of which are key factors in maintaining a healthy heart and brain. Incorporating berries into your daily meals couldn't be easier. Toss a handful into your yogurt, bake them into muffins, add them to your salad, or simply enjoy them fresh as a sweet, guilt-free dessert. Their natural sweetness and versatility make them a perfect addition to almost any dish, and their health benefits are hard to beat. Let's recap the key takeaways. Berries are among the most antioxidant-rich foods available, helping to protect your body from cellular damage and premature aging. They can boost immunity, improve heart health, enhance brain function, support healthy digestion, and even lower the risk of chronic disease. With mounting scientific evidence and expert recommendations, it's clear that making berries a daily habit is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to support your health. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or local farmer's market, don't forget to pick up an extra pint of your favorite berries. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about simple ways to improve your health, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips and delicious ideas. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you, one berry at a time.